DDR3. DDR3 arrived in 2007, and this is the generation that helped computers become more common for everyday people. One reason was efficiency. DDR3 reduced the voltage to 1.5 volts. That made desktop PCs run cooler, and it also helped laptops get better battery life. DDR3 speeds were higher too, generally from about 800 to 1600 MHz, and capacity improved to around 4 GB to 8 GB per stick, which made it solid for gaming, light photo editing, and heavier multitasking. One of the most important things people associate with DDR3 is dual-channel setups becoming widely used. With two matching sticks, the system can move memory data faster than with one stick, so everything feels snappier. Dual channel also matters a lot for integrated graphics. A dedicated graphics card has its own memory, called VRAM, but an integrated GPU doesn't. It uses your system RAM instead for visuals, so dual channel can improve smoothness and even raise FPS in games on integrated graphics. If you use dual channel, it's best to pair sticks that match in speed, and ideally the same model. This is true for DDR3, DDR4, and DDR5. If you combine different speeds, it usually still works, but everything runs at the slower stick speed. And even if you force settings in the BIOS, you might get instability later. Mixing brands can also work, but it can sometimes cause random errors because different brands may use different memory chips or designs. Even though DDR3 was a big improvement, computers around 2007 could still feel heavy. That wasn't only about RAM. A big reason was Windows Vista. Vista was known for using a lot of resources, especially with its 3D transparent arrow interface. It looked modern, but it could make systems feel laggy, and games from that era, like Crysis, were also extremely demanding. So a lot of the smoothness people expected from DDR3 really became more obvious a few years later when Windows 7 took over.